Inflation sounds complicated, but it's actually very simple. It's not just about prices rising, it's about your money losing purchasing power. Let's break it down in the easiest way possible. 1. What is inflation? Inflation is when the value of money decreases over time. In other words, you need more money to buy the same thing. If last year $50 bought groceries, and now you need $60, the value of your money has dropped. 2. Why does inflation happen? There are 4 main reasons. A. More money printed. When governments print more money, it increases supply. If money supply grows faster than the economy, prices rise. B. Production costs increase. If materials become expensive, like fuel, raw materials, or labor, companies raise prices to survive. This is called cost-push inflation. C. High consumer demand. When too many people want to buy limited goods, prices increase. This is demand-pull inflation. D. Supply chain problems. When goods are hard to produce or transport, they become more expensive, simple scarcity. 3. Good inflation versus bad inflation. Small inflation, 2 to 3% per year, is normal. It signals economic growth. But high inflation is dangerous because savings lose value. People struggle to afford basics. Businesses hesitate to invest. 4. How to protect yourself. You can fight inflation by holding fewer cash savings, investing in assets like stocks or real estate, increasing your skills and income, avoiding lifestyle inflation, building an emergency fund. Inflation affects everyone, but understanding it makes you financially stronger. If you manage your money wisely, inflation won't destroy your future.